life without you is a frozen frame. In the future, no fire burns its flame. And for simple joy, all I truly need is just a couple of lines, a hopeful seed. I'm lost within the web's vast maze, calling for you through the misty haze. My friend, oh, where have you now gone? Don't you forget me when I am withdrawn. And time drags on with weary weight. Through day and evening, it's all the same state. You write your best poems, profound and deep, when all the world is fast asleep. You will be writing them, I know, but I won't wait for the darkness to grow. My own lines come alive with the falling night. When everyone has turned off the light, they will arrive. When darkness descends against the silent sorrow that never ends, the birds will hush, the wind will blow, and rain is coming soft and slow. And summer rain will start to fall, barely touching the rooftops, enthralling all. And my heart started beating a steady sound to this gentle quiet all around. The wind is playing with the leaves, and the tin roof answers a rhythm it weaves. The measured patter of the drops creates a single sonnet for our souls' fates. We recorded this song, this gentle tune, so you could sing it with me soon. And the sun appeared in the sky so high, and the rain had already said goodbye. All that is left is the feeling it said of how my heart was beating in time instead. The rain and I, with no doubt in our minds, played out our final act of all kinds for you.